Unless there's any other applications you'd like to use an example.
We've covered it. We've covered most of it. Now, it's like, yeah, I'm not even. You actually addressed that this best of breed thing. Yeah, Mojo Dialer is something that we're seeing certain Chime users be syncing up to, like because there is a Chime dialer, but if for some reason, yeah, you happen to like Mojo dialer as well, it's not obviously going to work as smoothly, I should add, as doing it all within Chime. I mean, there's some compromise, but you're actually getting the ability to be using both systems in tandem, running on the same database, right? But you'll have to use Piesync to tell, you know what, the groups or Mojo has also thing called calling lists. Well, what do you want those to be translated into Chime for? So if you want to remote control your Mojo, this button won't do it because that's a Chime dialer, but you could be setting up rules where, okay, if I'm adding them into a group, which I'm calling Mojo, right?
Sure.
And then on the back end of that, I'm actually having Piesync listen to folks sitting in that group. They would be then being added into Mojo in the right space. So I can just open up Mojo and start dialing those folks. So it's the use case of Piesync is like super different according to the app you're sure. using, but how you set it up is always the same. It's like defining, what do I want in Chime? How do I want those folks to appear in my other app?
Mm-hmm. And what I also like is the fact that it's not an all or nothing type scenario where you have to get every single contact. Yeah. You can pick the very specific contacts that you want. I think that's probably an underrated or often overlooked aspect of this functionality here.